These little carrot cakes are super soft, extra moist, and honestly the best carrot cakes I've ever had. The soft and moist carrots, along with that crunch of chopped walnuts and that perfect mix of spices makes them the most comforting sweet treat. And the best part is that it's super simple and easy to make. This is a quick one bowl recipe and you can make it in just 3 steps. We'll mix the batter, scoop and bake. So in this video, let's see how to make the best mini carrot cakes. So before we start, let's grate our carrots and chop the walnuts. And now preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius. And let's make our carrot cake batter. It's so easy to make this carrot cake. Into this bowl, let's add in all our wet ingredients. I'm adding sunflower oil, 2 eggs, then soft brown sugar. We can use white sugar as well or a mix of both, but adding brown sugar will give more moistness and a bit of caramel taste to our cake. Adding half a teaspoon of vanilla extract for flavor. Mix and combine them all together to form a smooth mixture. Now let's add in all our dry ingredients into this. 1 cup of flour, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, a pinch of salt to balance the sweetness, and half a teaspoon of nutmeg powder. Here I'm grating fresh nutmeg and it smells so good. I'm sieving the ingredients so that there won't be any lumps and everything will get evenly distributed. Using a spatula, mix and combine them all together. And take care not to overmix the batter after adding flour, which can make our cake dense and heavy. So mix it just until you see everything is just combined. And finally, let's add the grated carrots and chopped walnuts. Again, take care not to overmix. Mix it until you see everything is just evenly distributed. So our cake batter is now ready and it took only less than 5 minutes to make the batter. And now let's scoop and pour it onto the mini cake tins. We can use muffin pans as well, and you can use the same recipe in a 7-inch round pan or 5x7 rectangular pan as well. And now they are ready to go into the oven. So bake at 350 Fahrenheit or 180 C preheated oven for 24 to 26 minutes. And after baking, let the cakes sit in the tray for about 5 minutes and then demold it. After demolding, let them cool down completely. And in the meantime, let's make the cream cheese frosting. This cream cheese frosting is not overly sweet and is perfectly complementing the spiced flavor of our carrot cake. And the recipe is super simple. Into this bowl, I'm adding cream cheese and butter, which is at room temperature. Adding a teaspoon of vanilla extract for flavor. Cream it until it's light and fluffy. And then add the powdered sugar little by little. And if you want a thicker consistency, like a thick frosting, you can add more powdered sugar. I like mine slightly thinner, so I have added a teaspoon of milk to make it thin. Now spread it on top of the cake. And these mini carrot cakes are super soft and moist, and they are perfectly spiced, and that cream cheese frosting takes them to another level. They make the perfect little dessert for sharing with friends and family, or just treating yourself on a cozy afternoon. In just 3 steps, you will have the most delightful bakery-style carrot cakes right at home. I really hope you try this mini carrot cakes and enjoy them as much as I do. I hope you like this simple carrot cake recipe. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and please don't forget to share this recipe with your friends and family who love cakes and desserts. And thank you so much for your love and support, and thanks for watching this video. See you next time.